over a century, John Deere has been a name synonymous with rugged durability, farm-born reliability, and a legacy of hardworking machines built to last. And now, in 2025, they've taken a bold step into a whole new territory, the pickup truck market. This is the first time in the company's long history that they've dared to build something that doesn't just work the land, but rules the road. Introducing the John Deere 2025 pickup, a machine that fuses the brand's agricultural DNA with the grit and expectations of a modern-day workhorse. But is it just a green-painted novelty or a real contender in an already crowded truck market? Let's find out. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you know this is no ordinary pickup. It's got the unmistakable John Deere green with the classic yellow accents running along the body lines, a tribute to its tractor roots. But it's not just about paint. The stance is aggressive. The grille is massive, bold, and uniquely Deere, featuring vertical slats inspired by combine harvesters. LED lights run along the edge like modern-day halos, giving it a sharp, futuristic look without losing that utilitarian vibe. At over 6.5 feet tall and nearly 19 feet long, it's commanding, intimidating, even. Built on a reinforced high-strength steel ladder frame, this truck means business. Now let's talk about performance. Under the hood, John Deere offers two engine options. The first is a 6.7-liter inline 6-turbo diesel co-developed with Cummins, putting out 450 horsepower and 950 pound-feet of torque. Designed for pure pulling power, it's a beast when it comes to towing, rated at an insane 22,000 pounds. The second is a hybrid electric V8, combining a 5.0-liter gas engine with an electric drive system. That one produces a combined 600 horsepower and offers up to 40 miles of all-electric range, ideal for getting work done while reducing emissions on the job site or the farm. Both engines are mated to a heavy-duty 10-speed automatic transmission, built to handle mud, gravel, snow, or highway with equal confidence. But power isn't everything, and Deere knows it. That's why they equipped this truck with a full air suspension system. It can raise for off-road clearance or lower for easier loading, all adjustable from the cab. The ride quality is surprisingly smooth, even when unloaded. And yes, it's got four-wheel drive with locking differentials, front and rear, along with an advanced terrain management system that includes modes for mud, snow, sand, and even plowed field, because of course it does. The tires are 35-inch all-terrains wrapped around 18-inch steel or optional forged aluminum wheels, capable of taking a beating in the field or on rocky trails. Inside, this truck is all about mixing comfort with purpose. Step into the cab and you're greeted by a combination of durable, washable materials and cutting-edge tech. Think rubberized flooring, waterproof seating surfaces that can be pressure washed, and optional leather-trimmed seats with heating, cooling, and built-in lumbar support. The dashboard is dominated by a massive 15-inch touchscreen, running John Deere's new WorkLink OS. It's not just infotainment. It's got integrated field mapping, equipment sync, satellite weather data, and real-time towing diagnostics. You can monitor your implements, connect to your tractor fleet, or track fuel use across machines, all from your truck's screen. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are of course included, but Deere's own software is where the real power lies for those who live and breathe agriculture. The backseat is spacious enough for 3 adults or 2 car seats and a dog. There's under-seat storage, fold-flat rear floors, and a rear window that opens electronically for access to the bed. Speaking of the bed, it's more than just a box. The John Deere truck bed is a modular workspace. You've got a built-in power inverter, tie-down tracks, multiple 110 volts and 220 volts outlets, and an optional compressor and tool storage system built right into the side panels. The tailgate has a built-in scale that shows your load weight and can double as a workbench with rulers, clamps, and even a saw guide. There's also an optional extendable bed floor that slides out for easier loading of ATVs or feed sacks. Safety hasn't been ignored either. You get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, a 360-degree camera system, trailer sway control, and even Deere's new field-safe proximity alert system that uses radar and sonar to detect large animals or equipment near the truck in low-visibility environments. It's rugged where it counts, but intelligent where it matters most. So who's this truck really for? It's for the farmer who needs to haul hay in the morning and head to town in the afternoon. It's for the rancher who wants a truck that can communicate with his combine, and the construction foreman who needs tools ready, diagnostics clear, and off-road capability at a moment's notice. It's also for the weekend warrior who just wants something that stands out, something that's not a Ford, Chevy, Ram, or Toyota. It's something new, something bold, something green, and it's not cheap. Pricing starts at $68,000 for the diesel base model and climbs up to over $95,000 for a fully loaded hybrid with all the tech, accessories, and premium options. But for those who've been loyal to John Deere for generations, that price tag might not be a deal-breaker. This isn't just a truck. It's a symbol, a mobile command center, a machine built to bridge the gap between tradition and innovation. In a world where pickup trucks are becoming more about luxury and less about labor, John Deere is planting its flag with a machine that does both. It's a tractor with a license plate, a field commander with leather seats. And in doing so, they may have just redefined what it means to be a truck in 2025. Whether it'll dominate the market or remain a cult classic is yet to be seen, but one thing's for sure, it's got everyone talking.